In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen looks at attention deficit hyperactivity disorder.
Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, is a mental health condition that can cause unusual levels of hyperactivity and impulsive behaviors. Consultant psychiatrist Dr. Ganesh Shetty says the condition affects 1 out of 20 children in Jamaica.
He doesn't finish what he starts. He has a lot of unfinished assignments, and he's had a hard time getting up and get going in the morning, keeping his room clean, don't like to study, and they lose things, forget things, as well as they're very easily distractible. They can't sit in one place. They will run up and down a lot. They're on the move all the time, chat a lot, can't control themselves. They talk out of turn, intrude, butt in, and talk without even thinking.
It's not clear what causes the brain differences of ADHD, but there's strong evidence that ADHD is mostly inherited. For children with ADHD, the struggles are harder and happen more often.
Because they can't control themselves, they might, talk out of turn, play out of turn, and might get into problem with their colleagues, but their classmates, and not get along well with others. And with our system where there's PEP and so on, and there's a lot of lack of awareness amongst teachers, they might be suspended, sometimes expelled, as well as when they don't do well in PEP, they go to schools where those kind of children with problems are accumulated without appropriate support.
Children are normally diagnosed at age 4. Treatment includes behavioral therapy, parent coaching, school support, and medication.
There are about 20 clinic sites island-wide. Some of them run once a day, 5 days a week. Others run once a month or once in a week. And we have 2 in Kingston St. Andrew, 1 in Comprehensive Health Center, 1 is Glen Vincent, and there are 1 in Spanish Town, St. Jacob Park Health Center, Linstead, as well as Morant Bay Health Center. So you talk to your teacher, you talk to your guidance counselor, get a letter. Once you know that there's some problem like this, you can go there and get help.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.